Okay, I just installed my fingerprint deadbolt. This allows you to have a key, a finger or biometrics way of locking the door, and also you could do a combination to unlock it. So right now it's in the unlock position. When I close the door and I want it to lock, I just push the button and the deadbolt comes out. When I come home and I want to open up, I don't have to fumble with the keys. All I do is just put my fingertip on there. I will say that when you program this, you have to program it 8 times. Don't mash real hard. Just barely touch it when you go to program it. Anyway, this was very, very easy. It bolted in my old deadbolt. There's the back side where the batteries are. You can also turn it to set the deadbolt. The only thing that I had to do was right here on the door frame, on the jamb right here. I still use the old Titan. Is all I had to do is take a file and just make that maybe 1 millimeter wider, because you have to make sure that the deadbolt moves freely when you lock and unlock it. But this was very, very, very painless, and I'm very, very happy with this lock here.
Check out our beautiful lock and keypad. Look at how pretty this is. I love the gold tone on the door and the lock keypad. I love the fingerprint. That is so easy. Everything is so easy on this to function. And when I shut the door, it locks all by itself. Is that the coolest?
Fingerprint. The fingerprint. after some time.
Right now the door is locked and I have it set up for fingerprints. You see the door unlocked. So now we just, and the door opens.